If we look at our life, there are a couple of key factors in everybody's life that can have huge impact on their way of living. One of those factors is our social relationships. There are two categories that make the most difference in our life. One is family and one is our partner, our relationship, our love, our person that we get married to, boyfriend, girlfriend. These two people, these two categories of people, they put the most effect in our day-to-day living. So it's really important that we make the best out of our situation. Now, when it comes to family, that's another video. We don't have time to really dig deep inside of it. But today, let's focus on our relationship. Relationship is such a delicate thing that the smallest misadjustment or misarrangement can either destroy it, or the smallest adjustment and the smallest precise movement that is based on building a better relationship can build it and make it as strong as it could ever be. Sometimes people think that having a good, healthy relationship is hard. It's never gonna happen. But the thing that you have to remember is that we often tend to jump inside a relationship simply for the sake of having a relationship. It's not about that. Having a relationship is about having two people working simultaneously to build each other up. Give each other nourish, give each other companionship, give each other commitment, give each other encouragement, engagement, and help each other grow every day. Now, one chief complaint that is out there is that sometimes people worry that they're nothing like their partner. Their partner is completely different than who they are. And that's actually a good thing, because think about it. If you get two halves, and then you put them together, you form a zero. However, if you get two wholes and you put them together, you get an infinity. We want to be our relationship, we want to make our relationship to be an infinite amount of possibility versus just a zero. If you guys are look alike and everything you do is the same, then, well, it will be boring. So it's okay to be different with your partner. It's okay to have misjudgment. It's okay to have different thoughts. It's okay to believe different things. It's not the end of the world. What matters is that how you work to solve those problems. First of all, we tend to correct our partner based on our needs. And you have to know that you and I are completely different. You and your partner are completely different. And your partner and their family even are completely different. Taking it one step further, if I had a twin brother, me and my twin brother would have completely different ideology. So it's okay to be different. What matters is that how you solve those different thoughts, different emotion, different opinion. Are you judgmental? Then if you're judgmental, maybe you need to reconsider the way that you're judging your partner. Are you questioning their things? Then you gotta sit down with yourself and see, why is it that the problem that I'm having right now is becoming a problem? Is it because of my social relationship? Is it because of my family? Is it because of my hobbies? Is it because of my interest? And if it is, then you gotta realize what your partner's interest is. What do they like? What do they enjoy? How do they like to spend their time? And then use words such as, if you have a different opinion, hey, hon, I think it would be nice if we spend some time together tonight. Instead of saying, hey, we never spend time together. Or it would be nice that if you say, honey, I would love to take you out tonight. Instead of saying, let's go out. Bring positive energy to love to your relationship anytime that you can. And then build upon it. Now that doesn't only goes for this instant. It goes worldwide. Whenever you have problems, start talking about it. If you have a disagreement, don't judge or don't question their belief or their thoughts. Always work with them. Help them understand. Life and love are very delicate. Smallest misjudgment or smallest being harsh can put a dot between that relationship and can destroy it. If you really truly love your relationship, then it's time to start thinking about that relationship. Time to think how you can improve it rather than how you can win. Now, once you work these things out, once you understand the power of your relationship, then you can build upon it. Now, sometimes relationships are so unhealthy that it shouldn't be fixed. But if you think that your relationship is worth working for it, and if you're watching this video, that means that you want your relationship to work, then it's time to maybe overlook your desires and overlook the thing that you like to do and think about yourself and your partner as a whole and as an infinity, and think about things that you guys can combine and come about with each other. It's so nice once you combine these two things. And then once you sacrifice something, then your partner will sacrifice something. It has to be hand in hand. In order for me to shake your hand, it can't be just me raising my hand. We both have to raise our hand at the same time. Bring it to the same height. And then shake each other's hand. Facilitate that moment of love and that moment of gratitude and that moment of appreciation. And I'll promise you that your relationship can change, not overnight, but in a good way, in a good time, and in a good manner. And as always, it's never too late to bring the greatness that is within you, that you already have. And guess what? It's already within you.